So hello guys, welcome back to my very first devlog. So I'm creating this devlog. So I'm creating this game, and the main goal of this game is to collect the treasure from the castle, and you get more enemies in your path. So I created a whole bar, enemy, background, platform, player, SWAT and everything, and I downloaded assets also. So this is the game I'm currently working, and it is under developing, so you will get more devlogs on it. So this is our very first devlog, and you can see I did not created any devlog in my channel. So I created this game in Unity, and I use Visual Studio 2022 for editing my scripts. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be in another devlog. Till bye bye, see you in next video.